Hey guys, today we are going to install the 12,000 BTU inverter mini split unit. Let's unpack it and see what's inside. We've got an indoor unit. Here we got the manual, the cable for communication and power supply. We got batteries, remote, and this is how the Samsung indoor unit how it looks like. After unpacking, now we are about to locate the location of installation. This is high value spare for the engines and the equipment which needs to be cooled. So this is our position. This is the outdoor position. Let's place this outdoor unit. R14A 12,000 BTU. Now connection. Let me show you how you can do vacuum without using vacuum compressor. Pipes are installed. As you see now, we have a TST vacuum compressor which is in good shape, but this is how you should do the vacuum without using the vacuum pump. Now you're gonna open the service valve of the suction and the discharge. Now, as you see, I have connected this adapter. This is for R14A. All valves are closed. Now I'm gonna open. This is the discharge. Now the gas is going to escape. It's going to blow out all of non-condensable gases, which is what I want. Now I'm opening all of the valves. Small amount of refrigerant is escaping altogether, all non-condensable gas. Don't worry about losing more refrigerant. This is too low refrigerant which is escaping. This is not going to affect our system. And now let me reduce the flow. Open a little bit and then open. This is tight. Now I'm going to remove the adapter. Done. This is how you do the vacuum without using a vacuum compressor. Now I'm going to open the sanction line, service line, all open, and I'm gonna open the discharge service line. Now we are good to go. The vacuum compressor was here, but I wanted to show you how you can do it without using proper tool. Now we are going to test the leakage. You can use soapy water for all of the joints because the system is pressurized. As you see now, this is the connection between indoor and the outdoor. We are good to go. No leakage. No leakage. This is a good indication. On the suction pipe, this is also good. This is good. As you see now, the indoor is installed together with AVS automatic voltage switcher. Please like my video to motivate me and subscribe to my channel for more videos.